don't know, whatever it is. Oh, you're here. Good, good. Please send some gift. Please send some gift. Make some great time. I think my internet was not good. My internet was like shaking, shake. So welcome again. We start over where we left. Hey, itafurahisha. Hurrah! When you like it, when you like it, share it and like. You the like, send the like. Yes, thank you. That's good. That's the Maasai music right there, peoples.
Deejay Maasai on the mix.
29. Oh. Okay, so that's one. Let me listen. Let me put you into this one. You will enjoy this one. Ene Mkulati, thank you for the gift. Ah, you're so good. Yamukumo Mushko. Jose Larmunos. What is that? I speak 5 languages, but I don't know now. My Africa. What's the meaning of that? Yomukumonuko. What is that? I'm 29 and attracted with 40 years old ladies. Is it normal? Beginning and the end. You're attracted with 40 years old ladies. Okay. Good luck with that. Ricardo Molton. That is Maasai. I'm mixing it up. I'm the DJ. I'm the DJ Maasai. For some of, if you ever been in East Africa, there's one ethnic group named Maasai people. Please send some likes and love there, some gift. We'll appreciate that. That would be awesome. I would love that. Wora! Thank you. Yom is you. Yukumo is a creation. Is your heart alive in the Holy Spirit with our God in love with our heart. Yeah? Is that it? Okay. I'm abundance in the Holy Spirit of our creation. Oh, you do? And we bow to those who on their spirit, which is a great thing. Yeah, the Cardamom Tone, remember to like his love and subscribe and share it to your friend and family. Please, you're a nice person I met on YouTube, bro. Great job, man. Please subscribe to Maasai Nation as you are in right now. And please, send us some gift there. Some like and your time. That's great. Appreciate that. I'm mixing up some songs here. I'm mixing it up. These are Maasai songs. Yeah. Welcome to Maasai. Welcome to Maasai Nation. We're live and we're vibing with some Maasai music. I'm your DJ here, DJ Maasai. On the deck, I'm going with it, yeah? Let me know, what do you think of the mixing? Shut it up! Yep, we're going with it. Please send some like the live. Send some like there. Send like and love there. Ene Mkulati, thank you so much for the gift. All right, guys, send the gift. Send the gift. Whoa. We're live on Maasai Nation. We're mixing up some. Nolton, ujambo si jambo sana, ni vipi asi? Uko fresh. Mama nakwendaje? Aise bora umekuja mwana. Kiingereza kimekuwa kingi sana. Niambie imekaja. Uko fresh. Thank you so much. Whoa. Send some gifts. My gift here for this is how we sing, yeah? This is how we dance. This side. That's great, yeah, thank you so much, yes. Thank you so much, Candy, for the time. And that's awesome. Kanya ya sita, well, yele ndo gina sita jaitu hulida single native. Gire, jaitu hulida ulo single native, ningito na idine way. Nkomono. Namaru take ndo gina sita pa, oya ibojesh. A mix. Hiye, mona yo. Aye, iye. Hapo umeona? Kuna mix. Ndio na mix hapo kwenye Maasai Nation hapo. Mwenyewe. Ene Mkulati umetisha. Hiyo buku leo iko hapo. This is so fun. Nafikiria inatosha. That is great. Kai Ene nitiye. Dalton. Ene. Bwana korete Dalton identity alogo mwene Ene Ay, 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 ay. Great job, guys. Good job. And we bora people ni aje ni vipi, mambo ni vipi? Ni lugha zote tatu, mambo ni vipi? Hey people, nakuaje? Umekaaje pande za wapi? Tucheki pia wapi. What is the name of the song and artist? The name of the song and artist, Parma. That's the name of the song by Chris Tate. Having some great time. Yeah, just mixing it up, this stuff. Yeah. Once in a time. Kisha sama we